Hey everyone, this is Valber from WSA English, and today we are going to study some adjectives in English, some really important adjectives. This is class 19 from this course, so if this is your first time in my channel, go to the beginning, because right now I'm going to explore this class using more English, okay? So let's go. Well, we use some adjectives to describe a noun or a pronoun. Do you remember noun? Nouns are substantivos, okay? And pronouns, pronomes. So these are here some common adjectives. Hot, can you see by the picture here? Hot is when the temperature is high, hot, okay? And the opposite of hot is cold. Cold. Look at these two girls here. This one is short, and this other one is tall. Short, tall. Repeat. Hot. Notice that letter O doesn't sound like O, but hot, hot, not hot, hot, okay? Cold, remember to use your tongue at the top of your mouth in letter L, cold, okay? Short, letter R has this strong sound, short. And tall, again, use your tongue. Tall, tall, okay? Let's move on. All right. Beautiful and pretty. They have similar meaning. The word similar, this word here, similar, is the opposite of different, okay? So, similar, different. So pretty and beautiful, they have similar meaning when we are talking about a woman, a girl, okay? So you can say, hey, she's beautiful, or she's pretty. For a man, we don't use pretty or beautiful, we say handsome. Isso é muito incomum. Temos um outro adjetivo para usar com homem, ok? Então, quase sempre usamos os mesmos adjetivos. Mas para esta situação, para falar que é bonito, bonita, há sim essa diferença na língua inglesa, ok? So, beautiful and pretty for girls, women, and handsome for a man. Notice that in pronunciation, we do not pronounce letter D. Handsome, handsome. Notice here in the phonetic symbols that we don't have letter D. Handsome. Okay? Handsome. And the opposite of beautiful, pretty, handsome is ugly. Ugly. But this is not polite, não é educado. It's not polite to use this word here to refer to someone, okay? So, let's move on. Alright. Neste slide aqui, eu vou fazer uma coisa que vocês sabem que eu não faço geralmente. Mas, por experiência em sala de aula, eu sei que há alunos que precisam da tradução neste momento aqui. Então, neste slide, eu vou traduzir literalmente estas duas frases. Olha só. Para falar que este morango é vermelho, em português e em inglês, eu tenho duas formas. Eu posso dizer, este morango é vermelho, ou este é um morango vermelho. É a mesma coisa, não é? Mas a questão é, para dizer que este morango é vermelho, a estrutura da frase é idêntica à sequência das palavras. é idêntica na língua inglesa e na língua portuguesa. Olha só, this. Morango, strawberry. É, verbo to be, is, vermelho, red. Percebe que a sequência das palavras é a mesma? Mas se eu digo, este é um morango vermelho, então nesta frase eu preciso inverter a posição do adjetivo, neste caso aqui vermelho, e do substantivo, neste caso aqui morango. Então fica this is a red strawberry. Ok? This is. Lembra, olha, this. Usamos a língua entre os dentes, lembra? This. This is a red strawberry. Or, this strawberry is red. Estas duas estruturas vão ser comuns nos próximos slides, nos próximos exemplos. Let's go. This dog is big. Or, this is a big dog. Olha só, a letra G na palavra big, na palavra dog, é bem fraca, olha. This dog is big. Como aqui vem seguido de um som de vogal, você pronuncia com uma certa ênfase a mais, olha. Dog is. Tem uma certa força, não é? Já no final da frase, não. Big. Bem fraquinho. E se quiser omitir, pode omitir também. Mesma coisa aqui, olha. É muito comum omitir a letra G aqui. Big dog. Percebe? Let's move on. This cat is small. This is a small cat. Mesma coisa, olha. Cat is. A letra T é pronunciada porque vem seguido de um som de vogal. This cat is small. Já aqui, olha. This is a small cat. Você pode omitir, frear ali o som da letra T, ok? He's rich. Sempre perceba e repita a pronúncia desses adjetivos, ok? Não tem som de I, rich, mas sim som de E, rich. Or, he is a rich man. The opposite of rich is poor. This man is poor. Or, he is a poor man. This car is new. Look at the difference here. This one here is old, from many years ago. This one is a new car. So you can say, this car is new, or it's a new car. This adjective, new, has two different pronunciations. New or new. In American English, it's more common new, okay? But it depending on the area where you go, you can listen new. New or new, okay? And the opposite, old. This car is old. Or, it's an old car. She is old. Or, she's an old woman. She is young. She is a young woman. Can you notice? Dá pra perceber? Old is the opposite of young or new. Okay, so what's the opposite of old? It depends. It can be new to talk about things, or young to talk about people. Long, look at her hair. She has long hair. What's the opposite of long? Short. I have short hair. So here you can say her hair. Hair is this part, okay? Hair. Her hair is long, or she has long hair. Her hair is short, or she has short hair. look at these two boys here. If we compare this boy with this one is tall, and this one is short. So, he is tall, or he's a tall boy. He's short, or he's a short boy. Adjectives do not have a plural form. They're fast cars, not they're fasts cars. No, adjectives do not go to the plural form. They're slow cars. Again, slows? No. It keeps in the singular form, okay? And slow, can you see the speed here? Here it's 30 kilometers per hour, so they're slow. But in the previous slide, look at this, 240 kilometers per hour. They're fast cars. Look at these sandals here. Look at their prices. $125. Wow, expensive. And here, $5. Cheap. So, they're expensive, or they're expensive sandals. They're cheap. They're cheap sandals. In this video, I'm gonna explain you the difference between one and ones to replace a noun used before. Preferi abordar este tópico nesta aula de adjetivos por ser um tópico bem curto, bem breve, para não criar um vídeo só com esta dica. Então, vamos lá. There are 3 smartphones in this photo. 1, 2, 3. I like the yellow smartphone. No, I used the word smartphone before, so I say I like the yellow one. Okay, I use one instead of the previous noun. Let's move on to one more example. These are t-shirts. T-shirts. I like the black t-shirt. No, I like the black one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. On the left side, we have big dogs. On the right side, we have small dogs. Remember, left side, right side. So, these are dogs. I like the big ones. The big dogs? No, the big ones. New computers. Old computers. These are computers. I like the new ones. Right? Now, it's a nice moment to pause your video, answer these questions, and then play again the video to check the answers with me. If you have already answered, let's go. Sonia and Tim are friends. How can I put the adjective good in this sentence here? Sonia and Tim are good friends. Mark is a teacher. So, Mark is a great teacher. Notice, great teacher? No. I pronounce letter T only once. One time. Great teacher, not great teacher. Okay? Great teacher. There is a house. Beautiful. So, this house is beautiful. This is a house. Beautiful. This is a beautiful house. You can pronounce beautiful or beautiful. In American English, beautiful. Okay? Are they children? I want to ask if they are happy or not. Okay, so my question is, are they happy children? That's it. That's the end of our class today. In our next video, you will study numbers. there will be a lot of numbers to study in our next video. So, if you're enjoying these videos, like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. See you in our next video. Bye!